Alright folks, check out this cool little gadget I got, the Mainlord Auto Body Repair Toolkit. It's a dent puller set for fixing those annoying little dings and dents you get on your car, like from door dings or even hail damage. Now, right off the bat, this kit doesn't come with a glue gun or glue sticks, so you'll have to grab those separately. They recommend hot melt glue, so keep that in mind. Also, it works best on thinner metal, less than 1 millimeter thick, so don't expect miracles on super thick panels. So, how does this thing work? It uses leverage, which is pretty clever. You get this double pole bridge. It looks kind of like a little arch, and you stick these puller tabs onto the dent with the hot glue. Then you hook the bridge onto the tabs and basically pull the dent out. The arch shape lets you adjust the spacing, and there's a little knob you can twist to fine-tune the pressure. It's actually pretty ergonomic and easy to use, even if you're not a car expert. I've been messing around with it on a few small dents on my car, and honestly, it's surprisingly effective. It's not going to magically fix a huge crater, but for smaller dings and hail damage, it does a pretty decent job. They also say you can use it on other metal surfaces like refrigerators or washing machines, which is a nice bonus. Inside the box, you get the double pole bridge puller, a bunch of different size puller tabs in black and blue, a couple of glue shovels for applying and removing the glue, an empty bottle, presumably for water or something, and a cleaning cloth. Pretty comprehensive kit overall, even if it's missing the glue gun and sticks. One thing I really appreciate is the clear instructions. They emphasize reading the manual before you start, which is always good advice. And they have customer service through Amazon if you run into any problems. They even specifically say not to trust third-party info, which I find kind of interesting. Guess they've had some issues with that. Overall, for the price, this Mainlord Dent Puller Kit is a pretty handy tool to have around. It's not a professional-grade solution, but for those of us who just want to fix minor dents and dings ourselves without breaking the bank, it's definitely worth checking out. Just remember to grab that glue gun and glue sticks. It's a simple, effective, and relatively inexpensive way to keep your car looking its best. Now, let me show you how it works on this little dent here.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.